Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and it has been a while since I filmed something on this channel. Like I said in my last plan with me, it has been a hectic couple of months for me, and I am in the busiest time right now of preparing for LPSCon, which is a conference I have been invited to. There's a lot of stuff to prepare. I never done anything like that before, so it's all new to me, which yeah, it's taking a lot more time than I thought it would, but it's okay because I'm super excited. But that means that I've had to put more time into this, and because of that I've had to taking away time from other things such as this channel. But either way, I recently actually went to Amsterdam, which might sound very sudden because I haven't really talked about it, but since I haven't been doing Plan With Me's, I haven't been able to share as much of my life with you. But I went to Amsterdam a couple of weeks ago and it was amazing. I actually mainly went there to meet some friends though, and one of them being my dear friend Desley of Desley Jane Plans. And she's from Australia, which you might know, but she went to Amsterdam, you know, for vacation. And I just felt like this was the perfect time to meet some friends because Amsterdam is not that far away from Sweden. Like flying there only took like an hour and 15 minutes. So pretty short trip. And I felt like because Desley is all the way from Australia, I felt like this, I don't know, this might be the only time I'll be able to meet her in real life. And I felt like I couldn't pass it up. So I went to Amsterdam. It was amazing. I'm so glad I did. And it was also nice to take a break from all the kind of chaos that's been my life lately. But either way, enough with the babbling. I'm sorry. Either way, I, together with Desley, of course, we went to hunt for some stationery stores. Sadly, we didn't really find stationery stores. Like, they don't have KKK in Amsterdam, which is very sad, because it would have been a perfect place to, like, go to a KKK store. And we did manage to find some places that had stationery, and that's what I'm gonna show in this video. But of course, sweet as she is, Desley also brought some gifts for me, which is so sweet. And I'm gonna share those first with you. So first is this beautiful, I don't know, like, I would call it like a charm, but it feels a lot more, I don't know, nicer than that, I don't know. This is handmade from, I believe the company is called the Felting Dorcas, which is a local brand to Melbourne, which is where Desley is from. And she has the same one, I believe, and she bought another one for me, so now we can be twinsies with these. I put this one straight on my planner, and this is my B6 KKK. And I love it so much. It's so pretty, and I don't know, it just felt so special, you know, because this I wouldn't be able to get. Well, they probably ship to Sweden, but it just feels so special, you know, getting it directly from Australia, you know. And she also, we did some, I told her we have to do like our planner, like autographs, like people do when planner friends meet. I also got this little clip from her. Let's see. And this is also a sneak peek into this setup. I haven't shown you this yet, I realized. She also made this for me. She does these little pouches, which is so sweet. It's awesome. I haven't been able to make these myself, so I'm so excited. She has a tutorial on her channel, Desley Jane Plans, if you want to check that out. Let's see if I can put it back. And let's see, I think I put it back somewhere here. Here we go. Here's Desley's, I don't know, planner friend autograph. She signed my planner. That's like, I felt like that's, you have to do that when you meet a friend in real life. So this is a very special page. And of course I had to have it in my B6 because, you know, she was also part of the KKK Planner Insiders. So it felt extra special to have her sign my very own B6. So excited. Okay, so she also brought me some other little goodies. This super adorable kitty to-do list. This one I believe she bought in Singapore. I think it was Singapore, because she had like a layover there from Australia, which is so amazing. You're like directly from Singapore. And I love this. Like, this is very smooth paper for being like a you know, a notepad, but it's sticky notes, and they're kitties. I love them so much. So cute. And I love to make to-do lists, so this is perfect. Thank you again, Desley. She also brought these. These are the affirmation cards from the new inspiration collection from Kiki K, that is. And I love this new collection. I think it's beautiful. So I was so excited to have some of it. I haven't picked anything up yet myself. But, you know, it's just really nice affirmation cards with really nice, you know, sayings. Like good reminders for yourself. I feel like you could also give these away to inspire people. So, yeah, that's such a nice gift. I think I've actually had my eye on these myself. So it was like, I think I even had them in my cart. And so it felt so special when, you know, she had picked them up for me. It felt like she was reading my mind. So that's so sweet. But yeah, love these. Thank you so much again, Desley. Your gifts were so thoughtful and nice. And, you know, I will cherish them for the rest of my life, probably. So thank you so much again. All right, I feel like I could go on and on about how Desley was the most lovely human being, but I'll just leave it at that because I can make a whole video about that whole experience and meeting her, but it was amazing. I'll leave it at that. So yeah, moving on to what we found. We did go to it's not a stationery store, it's more like I don't know, not really a warehouse, but like they sell a lot of different things called Hema. At first I picked up a rather boring thing. This is just correction rollers, correction tape. I was running out and I found these. I was like, why not buy them? I could as well buy them here. So yeah. And then also I found some pens. This one I haven't actually opened yet myself, but the packaging is really cute. And the pen itself looks adorable. So let's see if I can get this one opened. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. This is like so cute. And it's like a little gift box too, which is really nice. I did buy this for myself though. But it has like a little dangling puff. I'm not really sure how I feel. I think I might take this one off just because it's pretty impractical. And I actually really just like the look of this pen, like the Dalmatian print. It is a regular ballpoint, but it is like I would say it's like a metal pen. It's kind of heavyweight, it feels really nice, and I love the look of it. So yeah, I'm really happy I was able to find this one. It's adorable. It's gonna be really nice for photos for sure as well. And you know, as a planner girl and Instagrammer, sometimes you just buy things for pretty pictures, you know. So yeah, of course I already have pretty pens, but this is also like a brand I can't find in Sweden, so I might as well buy it when I'm there, you know. I did pick up another little pen. This one is also like a more metal one. Black and gold, says hi there. I love black and gold. Here says some stuff in the back in different languages, but all of these are ballpoint pens. But I love little clicky pens like that. This is a really classic looking one, which I really liked. And then I also picked up some stickers. So they had alphabet stickers, and I use these not as much in my planner, but I use them a lot for like little cards or like sometimes I use them for headers, but usually for like birthday cards or different cards I make for people. These look a little funny here, but I think they're gonna look better when you actually get them down on paper. But these are like cursive or italic letters, script letters, but in gold glitter. And there's 2 sets. Actually, no, there's 4. Oh, that's awesome. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of those. I also picked up these just standard black ones. There's 2 in this, as well as these mint ones. And last but not least, Desley was a little bit disappointed because she had, I think, been looking to find like a very nice stationery store, and she had asked like her local friends if they knew, and other friends, like they didn't really have any good like as a planner and stationery lover, like what we would find like a great stationery store. But we went into what is called, I'm probably gonna butcher the pronunciation, but like the Bienkauf, something like that, which is like a big warehouse, mostly for like clothes and like fashion, accessories and stuff. But they did actually have a stationery section, which I don't think she had been recommended that, but we found the sign, like it said like, okay, top floor, stationery. I'm like, ooh, we have to check that out. It was next to the kids section, so I was like, it might just be like kids stuff. But we got there, I was like, girl, they have paper chase here. They have like, this is not just kids stuff. This is like legit stationery stuff. It was like finding a gold mine. We felt so excited to finally found like what we had been looking for. I did not pick up as much as I maybe should have, but I did pick up some things that I got really excited about. So I found some washi tape. I think Desley already had these. She's bought from somebody else somehow. But there's this gold one. I mean, there's white with gold that says sparkle. And then there's this like light blush pink one with black text. You got this. Just really inspirational ones. This one is Studio Stationery, which I believe also is a nice brand. I don't have anything from there. Yeah, that's where we bought it from. This is like the warehouse, or more like a department store, I would say. That's the correct word. They had a lot of beautiful things, not just stationery. Like we went looking like at dresses and bags and all kinds of things, but we were really happy to find the stationery items, of course. I did actually buy a couple of clothing pieces in Amsterdam too. I'm not showing them in this video because this is a stationery haul. So yes, but I did also pick up some really cute little things. They had a lot of like cards, and these are from Paper Chase. This is a really funny one. I don't know why. I saw this one and I just smiled, and Desley was next to me and I told her, I don't know what this pig is going through, but I relate. I don't know why, I just loved it so much. I'm definitely putting this into my planner as like a dashboard or something. Just so cute. I love it. Also with like the hollow glitter, very nice. Then I got some regular like cards. Let's see. These are from, this is a brand called Whale and Bird. You go, girl. I just really like these colors. These were pretty cheap too. I think like €1 each. You're nothing short of brilliant. Just at the time I was a little stressed with all the work stuff, and I just felt like I needed some motivational things. So that's, I think, why I picked this up. This is really nice, thick cardstock. I love that. This one says Stationery Love. Of course, we had to get this one. I think Desley, she picked up this one as well. Really cute. And last but not least, this little thing I picked up. These just simple dot stickers that I feel like are very good for marking things. Maybe specifically like in a monthly planner, like color coding. And I think there's quite a few sheets in here, and you know, there's stickers. And Planner Girl, can we ever have too many stickers? I think not. So yeah, those were little things I picked up at the Bijenkorf. Wait, was that how you pronounce it? No, that was not Bijenkorf. I'm sorry, I don't know Dutch. But either way. So yeah, that was my little mini stationery haul from Amsterdam, and also with the lovely things that Desley got me. I'm so thankful. This whole little mini vacation for me was so nice, very needed, and just so lovely to be meeting, you know, friends like you've met online, and meeting in real life is just such a magical thing. So yeah, and Desley, she was such a wonderful person, and I had such an amazing day with her that I will cherish for forever. So yeah, but either way, I'm gonna stop rambling now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it somehow, and yeah, I'll just see you next time. Bye for now.